So we're dry fitting a jack plate for a kicker motor. If you can tell by the look at the transom there, I've got a lot of work to do to the fiberglass. So I just want to get some of these accessories mounted before that happens. And there's Titan. He's the boss. He's kind of giving us all the direction here. But the reason I want to put this jack plate on here with this kicker motor is troll fishing. It's not super popular, this style of trolling down here in Southwest Florida, but I spent a couple of years up north working at different marinas, and I've seen this system work out really good for the walleye guys. So I want to put it on my boat, give it a try, see how well it works for redfish, trout, and the other things that you could find in Charlotte Harbor or, Pine Island Sound, or basically inshore or near shore fishing, really. So I'm just going to be using some regular silicone and to fasten this jack plate down to the back of the boat until I get the fiberglass work and the gel coat done, and then we'll probably go on for something a little more permanent fix there, maybe 4200. But yeah, like I said, you can see here there was a jack plate on here at one time for something else, and there's a couple other holes in the transom there that need to be patched up, but for the most part it's going to be a pretty easy install. So you're probably asking, why would you want a small outboard like that on your boat when you've got a bigger outboard? And the biggest answer for that is low RPM running and trolling kills outboards. It is not good to run a large outboard at idle speeds or just above idle speeds. So putting this small kicker motor on there allows that smaller motor to work a little harder, so the RPMs are right up in about the mid-range area. Like I said, pretty easy install. I've got some vertical video of testing it over on TikTok, so if you want to jump on over there, give us a like and a follow. I'd greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy.